Hello, friends. So, today we are going to discuss the question of a thief story, and we will discuss it in a detail which are given in the textbook itself. And before we just jump into this question answer, let's quickly revise this summary. What is the story of this story? A thief story. Okay, so what story, right? Anyways, so this story is about two different people. One is a thief, who is around 15 years, and the other is a man of approximately 25 years, and they were watching wrestling match somewhere. And the name of the person who was watching this wrestling match is Anil. And the thief approaches Anil and starts talking to him because he feels that he had not dropped any money in the past few days, and thought that it would be easy to rob a simple person like Anil. And they both start talking, and Anil asks the thief his name, and the thief introduces himself as Hari Singh. Obviously, it was not his original real name, he was lying. So this is not the real name, as he changes his name every month to escape his ex-employers or police. So that's the case. And then they started talking about the wrestlers, and Anil was leaving when Hari called him again and asked him if he could work for Anil. And Anil said that he won't be able to pay him, but he could feed him if he knew how to cook. So Hari again lied that he knew how to cook, and then Anil took Hari to his room, which was above a sweet shop, and Hari cooked a meal which was really very bad. It was terrible because Anil did not eat it. He just fed it to these street dogs. And Anil asked Hari to leave, but he tried to please Anil. And Hari smiled in his most attractive, appealing way, and Anil could not stop laughing and looking at him. And Anil agreed to teach Hari how to cook and write full sentences and add numbers. So Hari was grateful, as he knew that there would be no limit to robbing people once he learnt how to read and how to write. He could achieve anything if he was able to read and write. And the narrator used to like working for Anil. Narrator here, that is the thief himself, Hari Singh here, right? So he used to like working for Anil, as he used to make him tea in the morning and then go out to buy the groceries for the day. And he also used to steal 1 rupees from the money that was given to him to buy the groceries every day. And Anil knew that he used to steal, but did not mind. Then Anil used to make money by very irregular basis of works. Sometimes he used to borrow money, and the other day when he had money, he would be lending it to other people. So that's kind of situation was going on with Anil. And whenever he used to get some money, he would go out with his friends to celebrate it. And one day Anil came in with a bundle of notes and told Hari that he had sold a book to the publisher. And at that night, the money he kept the money safely under the mattress of his bed, and Hari knew that, and he realized that he had been working for Anil for more than a month and had not stolen anything apart from 1 rupee that he kept every day from the grocery money. And Hari had many chances to steal, as he had the keys to the room as well. And but he was surprised with the amount of trust Anil had on him, as he had never seen such a trusting person in his life. So even the his ex employers, they don't trust Hari Singh as much as Anil. So this trust thing was preventing him from robbing Anil, as Hari even thought that robbing a careless person like Anil didn't make much difference, because he might not even notice that he had been robbed, and that took out all the fun from the this stealing work. And then he thought of stealing Anil's money and justified himself that if he didn't steal money from Anil, then what will happen? Then Anil would waste it on his friends, and also Anil didn't pay him for the work that he did. So he justified somehow to himself. And then Hari woke up at night and quietly crawled to Anil's bed. He steals the money and decides to leave the city by Lucknow Express that departed at 10:30. And when he reached the station, the train had slowly started moving from the platform, so the train was departing. And he could have easily caught the train, but he hesitated, and he himself did not know the reason for it. Before he had reached the station, he counted the money, and it was just 600 rupees in 50 rupees notes. And he could live a lavish life for 2 or 3 weeks with so much money, like Arab, right? And after the train had left, Hari was all alone at the railway station. He was completely deserted, no one was there, and he was left with no place to sleep at night, because he don't know any other person, he hasn't any friends, because he considered the friends are the people who brings danger. And the only person he knew was Anil, and he is the same person to whom he had looted him as well. And he sat on a bench in a park, and as it started to rain, he sat down under the clock tower in the bazaar. And then he realized that the notes had got wet. So he realized that learning how to read and write would help him to get much more respectable and honest job, which would pay him much more than these few hundred rupees. Then he decides to go back to Anil's house, and he reached the room and placed the money back. Next morning he woke up a bit late, and Anil had already made his tea. And Anil gave a 50 rupees note to Hari, as he had got paid for some work and he would be paid regularly. Hari took the notes in his hand and realized that the note was still wet from the rain last night. And Hari realized that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness, anger, or guilt in Anil's mind. And the narrator smiled in a very beautiful way, and it was genuine happiness, as he knew that he had saved himself from the wrong road. So that's what the story is all about. So we'll start these question answers. The very first question is, it's a bit longer one than I have expected. The whole para you can see. So let's read it. What's that? So for question number 1, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospects of receiving an education? Okay, so what Hari Singh think about the educations? So he knew one thing that we can say that he knew one thing that if he was able to read and write, he would get more money than robbery and all this thing, and he could get a respectable job. Okay, let's see next. Do they change over time? I don't think so. Two times he think about these educations. Anyways, hint is given. Compare, for example, the thought. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit. There would be no limit to what I could achieve. And with these later thought, whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than few hundreds rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really a big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So these two situations are there. The first dialogue was from the initial state of Anil when he state of Hari Singh when he first met to this Anil, and the last one is the end of the story almost. So what makes him return to Anil? Okay, so this is what the questions, and look at these lines. I don't think his views change over the period of the time, and he knew that once he was able to read and write, he could do many things. So Hari Singh feels that the education can make him earn a lot of money in an honest way. Obviously, he could live a very respected man, civilized man, and there is no one who would catch him. So there is no fear at all. And his prospect on receiving an education does not change over the time. He feels that he can earn much more if he gets education, and he returns to Anil because Anil trusts him. Why he returns to Anil? Because Anil trusts him, and he feeds him, he treats him well, and even he teaches him well. So that's the thing. So he returned to the Anil and put back all the monies that he looted from him, sorry. Okay, the second question, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? And do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Okay, first question is, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Okay, the basic thing is that Anil knew that Hari Singh has realized his mistakes, and that is the reason that he has put the money back where it was there. So, and obviously that fellow Hari Singh felt guilty for what he has done and wanted to mend his ways. So that's the thing, he realized, Anil knew that now this Hari Singh wanted to change himself. He realized his mistakes and he is not going to do the same thing. And he realized his mistake by himself. No one was there to tell him that you do that or do that. Okay, no one was there to guide him, instruct him. He himself came back, and he himself put all the monies without any efforts by Anil. So that's the thing, that Anil did not hand over the thief to the police. And do you think the most people would have done so? I don't think so, because we are living in this era, and I guess it's very difficult, and people would never trust. If once trust is broken, it is very hard to believe in someone who has already broken your trust. So I don't think so. This people would react in that manner. Okay, let's see. So Anil did not hand over the thief to the police, maybe because he knew that Hari Singh had realized his mistakes. He was feeling guilty for what he had done and wanted to mend his ways. So this was the reason why he had come back and put the money back to its place. So Anil wanted to give him the chance to become a better person. That was the basic and most important reason. Anil wanted to give him a chance to become a better person. He is even educating that thief, and that is what the doing of a noble man. He has this we can say that 24 karat golden heart. And do you think that the people exist in today's era? No, I don't think that anybody in today's world would have done so, because to do so a person needs to have a lot of compassion and patience, right, which is missing in most of the people today. We don't have this kind of these qualities nowadays, patience and compassion. And in today's world, a thief is considered a criminal, as we talked earlier, that thieves are considered as a criminal, and even if he realizes his mistakes, then also we consider them as a criminal. And it takes a lot of courage to trust someone who has broken your trust once, right? And although I feel that if a person realizes his mistake, he must be given another chance to win back your ट्रस्ट. वी से दैट ना, सुबह का भूला शाम को लौट आए तो उसे भुला नहीं कहते. दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग वी कैन से दो सी. सो देर आर वी शुड give another chance to those person to win back our trust. Okay, next question. Who does I refer to in this story? Now these are the read and find out question series. Okay, so who does I refer to in this story? So in this story I hear the narrator. Who is the narrator? The thief Hari Singh, right? So I refer to the thief who introduces himself as a Hari Singh. Next question. What is he a fairly successful hand at? Okay, a fairly successful hand at, that means robbing something, stealing something. He is a fairly successful hand at stealing. He is an experienced thief. He is so clean and swift in his work that he robs people without being caught. So he was never caught by the police. So he was very successful at it. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? So Hari Singh basically didn't get money from Anil. Rather, he was able to get food and the shelter that he wants. Let's see. When he asked Anil that he wants to work for him, Anil clearly says that he will not be able to pay him. Anil, in the very beginning, he told this fellow Hari Singh that I am not able to pay you. And they mutually decide that if the thief would be able to cook food for him, then Anil would feed him. And finally, after the pleading of Hari Singh, this fellow Anil allowed to do that, and they finally mutually understand that if you can cook my food, then I can pay you. I can feed you. Okay, not pay you, I can feed you. So, but soon Anil comes to know that he cannot cook on the very night. Anil came to know, and so he even tells Hari to leave that house. But after that most appealing smile of Hari Singh, Anil tells Hari that he would teach him to cook food and teach him to write his name and full sentences, and also to add numbers. So these are what he is getting from Anil. He will teach him to cook food, he will teach him to write his name and full sentences, and he will also teach him to add numbers. Mathematics he will also teach him. And apart from this, Hari also used to steal 1 rupee from the grocery money every day. And one more thing is remaining here, that Hari was able to get a shelter, and Anil offered him a balcony space for night to sleep there, right? So these are the things that Hari Singh get from Anil in return for his work. Okay, next question. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? So the thief thought that on discovering that he had been robbed, Anil would definitely be sad. But he would not be sad because of loss of the but he would be sad because of the loss of the trust, not of the loss of money. So I think we discussed in detail these things, that how Anil would react to this theft of Hari Singh, he would become sad, not not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust that he has put in the Hari Singh. So that's the thing. Next question: what does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Okay, it's a very okay. So the thief says that he has so much experience. He was barely 15, though he was barely 15, but he has experience of this stealing business, and he knew the reactions of the people. Okay, if they are robbed, how they react. So the first man is greedy. If greedy men are there, and if greedy men are robbed, how they will react? They will show fear. Okay, if rich men are there, then they will show anger, and the poor men showed acceptance towards whatever had happened with him. So these are the reactions, that different reactions of the people when they are robbed, and Hari Singh knew this very well. Next question: does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes, definitely. Probably Anil knew that he had been robbed because all the notes were wet and damp from the last night. And he still did not say anything to the thief and give him 50 rupees and told him that from now on Anil will be paying him money as salary every month. So this situation, even the thief knew that Anil knew these whole things, that he has been robbed, because when Anil came there wasn't rain, but at night there was rain, and only this fellow, besides Anil, only Hari Singh has the key to enter into the house, and no one was there except Hari Singh. So Anil knew that thing, but he did not react on it. Instead, what he did, he gave 50 rupees to him, and he will promise him that every month you will get this salary. Okay, I hope you understand this story really very well. If you have still doubt, just read it once. Your all doubts will be clear. Thank you very much, friends. Keep reading.